Hi my beautettes, welcome back to my channel. I'm jumping right in with this highlight and contour palette. I know you have read the title. Yes, this is how to do a cut crease the easiest, simple, beginner way. This is the way, but in time you will perfect it. So don't worry, my loves, because it does, take its time, and I didn't have all that much time, so I'm sorry if this is kind of like a rushed or like quick video, I would say. But I just wanted to come and actually just show the basics. I add this on my crease, this beautiful brown powder. It's actually a contour powder from the LA Colors Cosmetic Highlight and Contour Palette. Yeah, it's about $6. I got it at the beauty supply. You could get it at any beauty supply drugstore, and it works very well. Now, the reason why I added that shade onto my crease is because I just want to keep this simple and natural and really just get down to tell you guys how you can do a quick cut crease. Of course, this wasn't as perfect as I wanted to, but the whole key point was showing you guys to get the flat brush, get your concealer, and make your crease as to where your crease is, because everyone has a different eyelid shape. Everyone's just different. Everyone has different face shapes, different eye shapes. So go accordingly to your crease. Okay, and I'm just blending away whatever colors I have on my crease, which is that beautiful brown. I just had to use it. Now I'm going in with my LA Pro Conceal and this beauty supply flat brush that I got, and I'm just going to cut my crease. I'm going to start from my inner eye and work its way up. Now everyone has their own way of how they're gonna cut your crease, because when you get to your eyelid, you will form it a little bit above your eyelid, or like me, because I have like a hooded eye, so I would have to do that a little bit. It's not so much hooded, but I still have to create a little bit higher because you won't be able to see anything. So this is what I'm doing to alternate my eye and to accentuate my eye. Once everything is completed and done, you will see. Now, I'm sorry if it didn't get filmed, but I had to add, I would suggest adding a cream eyeliner, or if you have an eyeliner pencil. I didn't have one right away, so I just grabbed a liquid eyeliner, which I never really do. I like to go in with the cream eyeliner, but I couldn't find it, so I did what I had to do. It kind of came out a little bit thick, but I'm not that to worry, because when you add your lashes and you only add a little line to your eyeliner, like the way your eye is shaped, right where you put your lashes, it would really help because it makes the eye look more natural. It doesn't have no like seeping through. I don't know, it's like a certain like way of the way the eye looks. But I'm gonna go in with my Nude Palette, and I freaking love this palette. This is by Huda Beauty, of course. This is I just love this palette. I'm using a very nude beige for this lid because I just want to keep the basics for this video, just to show you guys I'm not doing no crazy colors on this video. I will do another video with more detailing, a little bit longer. I just wanted to get this out, and my video just actually kept on stopping, so I had to just really quickly get done what I had to get done. I hope this video was informative for you. If you do feel like it was informative, or you learned something at least, please give it a like or comment down below. If you felt like you learned something, or you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much to all the people who do support me and anything and everything. I love you to infinity and beyond. Now I'm just adding that same brown under my eye because I want to make this pop out and still look natural, but you just keep blending it. Don't get scared, because it is going to be like right under your eye, but when you keep blending it out and blending it out, it's all about blending. Then you'll find out, you'll see it with your whole eye shape. It'll be blended out and look nice. Now I'm going in with my box of mascara. This is a cute mascara I had to use. I love the way it makes it full. And I'm just gonna apply these Missy lashes. I got these Missy lashes from the beauty supply, and they're about like $5, and they're just beautiful. I love sticking to them. Now I'm just adding this highlight. I'm gonna add it on my brow and in my inner corner if I can, and I'm just gonna squeeze these lashes together as well. Once it's dried, you can like squeeze them so everything could come together between your lash and your falsies. And yeah, so I'm sorry, like I said, I know this was a quick video, but I just wanted to come and show you guys quickly how to do an easy quick Cut Crease. I will continue to do more videos with different colors, as you will see once I get them uploaded and out. Please be sure to like, share, and comment. I love you, beauties, and I can't wait to see you on next tutorial. Bye.